Hey Mandi maniacs! So today we are going to be trying and reviewing Bigelow Botanicals Cold Water Infusion. Strawberry lemon orange blossom flavored, and it's caffeine free. It's pretty simple to make actually. So you use cold water, which is interesting. Usually you use hot water and then you put ice in it, but this one you use cold water. So you put in the tea bag and cold water, infuse for at least 8 minutes, or you leave in if you want more flavor. So that's all there is to it. And we saw it did come in a few different flavors, but we were most interested in this one. So we're gonna go make it and let's see how it goes.
Alright, here it is. It's like a orangish color. I thought it was gonna be more pink, but it's actually orangey. Alright, so let's see how it is. Ooh! Oh! That is disgusting. Oh, that is terrible. I don't know what that is, but it's gross. I do not recommend. If you see this, do not get it. It is horrible. I hate it.
What is this?
This is strawberry lemon orange blossom iced tea.
Okay. I'm not tasting real big, strong strawberry or anything. Tea, of course. And it's what else?
Strawberry lemon orange blossom.
Maybe the orange blossom. I'm not getting lemon really, and I'm not really getting raspberry.
Or
Maybe, or strawberry. Maybe if you added sugar, it might bring out a little flavor, but without sugar, it just tastes maybe like an orange blossom. I can't even say it tastes like orange. I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess orange blossom would maybe more towards the blossom than the orange. It's light, it's refreshing. If you're going for all those flavors that it talks about, I didn't get that. Perhaps adding sugar, it might bring out some flavor because a lot of times that'll happen. But without sugar, it just maybe has that blossomy taste, but nothing else.
Would you recommend?
I'm a tea drinker, so I kind of like that it's light like that. So I would recommend, yes. But I wouldn't recommend if you're looking for all those flavors because they're not there.
Okay, now my turn to try. Oh. That's, it's unusual. Honestly, I don't feel it's a very good flavor. The flavor is there, just not a very good flavor. I don't taste strawberry or lemon. I don't really like orange, so maybe that's a bit of orange in there. Like an orange zest situation. Honestly, it does taste like kind of a dog treat smells, like a chewed dog treat. If you ever move those off the couch when your dogs are chewing them and they have that icky odor. I mean, yeah, that's kind of this flavor. It's not good. So honestly, I love tea, but I really don't like this. This is the first tea where I'm like, you know, I don't think I could, nope, I wouldn't drink it again. Maybe those flavors don't pair well together. I'm definitely not tasting lemon or strawberry, so I wouldn't recommend it. It's honestly kind of disgusting. So, no, I would not recommend this.